Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. This one is a road trip journal that I made for our upcoming summer vacation. It is a fabric covered journal. Has three signatures on the spine, and it is visible. It's a really pretty fabric. This is the front. The front, I made pockets to tuck in these little journaling cards. So all I did was tuck them in there. And what I did was I used some of the packaging from some of the stamps that I've recently bought. And then, so this is 2 sets of paper. And then just some more paper, and I use glossy accents on the letters. Okay. So this is the inside cover. I used some scrapbook paper, and I also got some coloring paper to put in the back that I'm thinking about coloring sometime during the vacation. And so I left a lot of space for journaling because I do write a lot, and I do include a lot of pictures after the trip. And here I'm going to write about probably us preparing for the trip and how we decided where we're going to be going and so forth. So I do leave a lot of space for me to write in. So I like to mention what and how we decided what we're going to do. And then we probably are going to be staying at some type of RV park, and so I have this, but I'll probably be also saving all the ticket stubs that we get on any of the parks that we visit or anywhere that we go. I usually keep all the stubs. And so there's a lot of space here for journaling. This is a little pocket that I made. Okay, and this is all glued down, and then more paper here so I can write in it. This is all copy dye paper. More space, some dictionary paper, a lot more space here. Okay, and these are some of the clusters that I mentioned a while ago that I usually do whenever I get a lot of scraps, and then I just save them and then I just use them whenever I need them. And then here, of course, I can tuck something in there. Okay, there's a lot of paper. And so I decided to use some of this crochet paper because I probably will be taking some yarn with me to crochet along the way. That's something I normally tend to do when we're on trips that take forever to get to. So I'll probably have some type of crochet project that I'll be working on. And then more space. Music paper, and then more space here to put in postcards or anything that I would want to save. I usually buy postcards anywhere we go. It's a lot of space. And this is I try to put a lot of paper clips in the journal so that I can hold maps and so anything that we use on the trip itself. So all of this is copy dyed paper that I do every now and then. So lots of space. And I did a lot of sewing. Usually I like to include sewing in all my journals that I do. And again, more paper to write in. I also usually have my kids write something or share something about our trip. And so I always try to have more space to write in or more paper to write in than I think that I'm going to need. And so this one has pockets, 2 pockets here. And then this is a die cut that I was talking about in one of the last videos. I really like it. It's really nice and wide. And all I did was put index cards in here for more writing. And I actually, the way I do journals or road trip journals is that I basically write what we do every single day. And so so that's why I try to leave space. And here's a pocket, another pocket here. And again, pockets would be for me to include any of the tickets that we may get anywhere we go, or just random writing that I do. And it's just more space here to tuck in. And I save so much stuff on our trips. So almost every single page allows for writing or for tucking in memorabilia. And then this is a belly band. And this one I just kind of made a little booklet for some more writing space. And like I said, at the end of the trip, I do usually take a lot of pictures and I include them in my journal. Okay, and some more pockets here. Okay, so this is a recycled envelope. I have a lot of them. That's what I do. I recycle them and then I just cover them up with scrapbook paper. And usually the scrapbook paper, they're all scraps. That's why you see them all different colors. Let's see. And this is something I do once I start accumulating a lot of scraps. Try to get rid of them, and then I use up the envelopes, and this is one of them. And so all I did was I left 2 spaces here for pockets. And then if I don't end up using the tags on the trip, I'll just remove them and then save them for another journal. And so this is some transparency paper of a US map. And another recycled envelope and a tag. I just make sure that I leave a lot of space for writing and a lot of space for anything that we buy that is paper, or anything that we get that's a receipt to show where we were or the dates. That stuff is really important to me. And so here I have some more paper clips. I'll be including probably more paper clips so that I can make sure I have something to clip them, because I probably will not take a stapler. I probably will take a glue stick, but that's why I'm trying to leave a lot of pockets so that I can tuck stuff in. So this is a 3rd signature. And so I really like making journals where there is no main color that I'm using. That way I'm able to put in any color. Especially because, like I said, I have been trying to get rid of all my scraps. I have way too many. Then this one again, another pocket with some more writing paper. And this I got out of an old composition book, so I always try to save anything that has lines for these junk journals that I like to make. And that's it. I like how it turned out. I haven't decided whether I'm going to put a closure on it. I might put one. It just depends on, because I don't think it's that big, and I don't think it's going to get bigger, only because, like I said, I left so many pockets for that reason, and so I can always remove a lot of the tags that I put in there. But that's it. This is my 2021 journal for our road trip this year. We haven't taken one in years because of COVID. So I hope that we really enjoy it and that we have a good time before our senior takes off to college. It'll be one of our last ones while he's still here in school. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.